So welcome students. In this question you're given these numbers 1, 1 plus d, 1 plus 2d up to 1 plus 100d. The mean deviation of these numbers about their mean is 255. If that is so, what is the value of d? So now you can see that you have 101 numbers. First let us find the mean of this, because if you want the mean deviation, first you need to know the mean. So the mean is nothing but the sum of all the readings, 1 plus d plus 1 plus 2d plus so on up to 1 plus 100d by 101. That is equal to 1 plus 1 plus, you have 101 terms, you have 101 plus. So how many d's are there? D times 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. It is 100 into 101 by 2 by 101. So that is equal to, if you take 101 as common, you get 1 plus 50d. So the mean of these numbers is 1 plus 50. So next, let us find the deviations. So what are the deviations? So deviation is nothing but xi minus x bar, right? So xi is 1 minus of 1 plus 50d. So minus 50d, 1 plus d minus this, minus 49d, minus 48d, so on. So at some point you become, so when you have 50d, 1 plus 50d minus 1 plus 50d becomes 0. And then you get d, 2d, so on. 1 plus 100d minus becomes 50d. So what is mean deviation about mean? Is nothing but modulus of di sigma by n is 101. So you need to add all this moduluses divided by 101. So if you add all this, you get, by taking modulus, this becomes positive. So this is nothing but d times 2 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 50, right? Because you have d, in every term you have d, and 50 is there 2 times, 49 is there 2 times, 48 is there 2 times. So you get 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50 divided by 101. So that is equal to 2d times, so the sum of this is 50 into 51 by 2 into 101 is equal to, mean deviation about mean is given as 255. Now this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 51 gets cancelled 5 times. So this implies d is equal to 101 into 5 by 50. So 5 gets cancelled 10 times, that is equal to 10.1 is the answer. Thank you.